Hey everyone! Tip 1. Doctor's visit and insurance. First, before you even pack, visit your doctor. Get a quick checkup to make sure you're good to go. And please get travel insurance. It's like a safety net for your health and your wallet, just in case anything unexpected pops up. Tip 2. Medication smarts. Next, let's talk meds. Pack enough for your whole trip, plus a few extra days, just in case of delays. Keep them in your carry-on, not your checked bag. And a little card with your medical info and emergency contacts? Super smart. Tip 3. Stay clean and hydrated. On board, keep those hands clean. Wash them often with soap and water, especially before eating. And drink plenty of water. It's easy to get a little dried out on a ship, especially in warm places. Stay hydrated to feel your best. Tip 4. Sun and seasickness. The sun at sea is strong. Wear sunscreen, a wide hat, and sunglasses. Find some shade during the middle of the day. If you get seasick, take your medicine before you feel bad. Those wristbands can help too. Tip 5. Watch your step. Ship decks can be slippery, especially near the pools. Always wear shoes with good grip, like sneakers or comfy walking shoes. Take your time, use handrails, and watch out for wet spots. No rushing. Tip 6. Know your ship's doctor. It's good to know where the ship's medical office is, just in case. Don't be shy about visiting if you feel unwell. They're there to help you get back to enjoying your vacation quickly. Tip 7. Smart shore trips. When you go ashore, pick tours that match your energy. Avoid anything too tiring or with lots of stairs if that's tough for you. Stick with your group and always know how to get back to the ship on time. See? Staying safe on a cruise is mostly about being prepared and making smart choices. Follow these 7 tips, and you'll be set for a truly worry-free and wonderful trip. If these tips helped you feel more confident, please give this video a thumbs up for more great travel advice. What's your top safety tip for cruising? Share it in the comments below.